If he passes to you, you got no one to pass to. You got to be up in this area. You can't be so far back.
You're doing a great job. Honestly, like, you're right at the beginning of the match. You're doing awesome. You should go over there. Ryan, you got this, buddy. You're doing great. TJ, if you need a break, let me know.
Right. Yeah, so you got it, Rocco. You got to be here. He's left, you're right. So far.
Just one. Yeah. Find somebody. Oh, yeah.
Good job, Warren.
Okay. I like it. Yeah. Play back if you need to, Trump. You had TJ right there. Don't make it too hard. Play easy. Make the easy play. Easy, please.
Good job, Brian.
Trump, play a little easy, okay? Okay, buddy? You're doing good, but you got to find somebody too, okay? If you got somebody wide open, make the pass, then make the run. Don't try to do too much. Don't try to do too much. We got a lot of talented kids on the team, right? Let's go.
Now, this way.
Vamos, Rocco, let's go.
All this space over here, but.
Vai, Miguel, corre.
Middle.
That's Christian. Head up. No.
Play the whistle.
No, it's not, guys. It's not a goal. She would have said it. Go. Come on. We're fine. Don't worry. Play calm. Yeah, play calm. We're good. Yeah. Get up there, Christian. Don't get trapped.
Ryan, 13.
Don't get trapped.
13.
Release. Guys, you got to release a little faster. I'm gonna start chirping a little bit, okay? I know you guys have moves, but I don't want to see your moves. I want to see you play. Okay?
Here.
Come on.
Passa. Isso. Vai,
Go.
Now. Hey! Good shot.
Hey, nothing you can do about that, guys. Nothing you can do about that. But you know what you can do? You can get one back, right? Hey, keep your head up. Let's go. Hey, it's your turn. Let's go. Hey,
Where
let's
you
get
need to be,
one.
Rocco.
Let's get one. Come on. It's not over, guys. Keep your head up and let's go. Fight. Let's go. Come on.
Sempre corta pra direita, Miguel, pra direita.
Christian, make a run. He's all by himself. You gotta find somebody you do it. Take a shot. That's it. Come on. Yes, now finish. Okay, hey, Sean, good try. Christian, hey, that's good stuff. That's what I need. I need 5 more of those. One will go in, I'm telling you. Yes, let's go. Work. Come on, work. Finish. Okay, good. Again, let's go. Work. Come on, guys. Momentum shifted. You can see it. You can feel it now. Now you're playing. Now you're trying. Let's go. Come on. Work. Momentum's changed. Let's go. You can feel it. I can feel it. They can feel it. Let's go. Come on. You're better than this. Let's go. Work. Keep working. Let's go. Keep going. Let's go. Now finish. Keep going. You're not done. Okay. Let's go. watch. Come on. Don't watch. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Passa, passa, passa. Vamos, vamos.
Behind you.
Vai, Miguel.
Get there. Yeah. Just one. Yeah. Good. Yes, Aiden. Find somebody. Easy.
Vamos, Brian. Vamos, Aiden. Vamos, Aiden.
Yeah, Aiden.
Vamos, Brian.
Guys,
Yes,
help him
Brian.
out. Come up here, Christian. Aiden, you gotta find somebody. You gotta find somebody now. You did all that work. You're good. Stay there. Stay there for the play. Stay there for the play. See what happens. Play up in the front. Yeah. Let's go. Finish.
Passa, Brian.
Good?
Beleza? Gol. Tá bem? Fecha no meio, Miguel. Fecha no meio lá, ó. Olha a ponta lá, ó.
Larpa, Lili. Pero todo, loco. Brian, no. Brian. ¿Ven?
Super bem? Vamos ali.
Good. That was smart. That's the right call, Zach.
É na ponta ali.
Come on in there. You gotta find someone.
Boa! Volta. Isso, volta. Boa!
Miguel, Vicora.
Well, I mean, the thing is. Well, wait a minute. Why? So you're saying you want to be
Vai.
operator? Is that what you're saying?
Vamos.
Síguelo, loco. Vamos, maquinita. Corre, maquinita.
Vai, Miguel.
Oh, nice try.
Nice, maquinita, nice.
Hands up.
Keep going.
Draw.
É nossa, ó. Diego, é nossa, Diego.
Hey, you video back on? TJ, take a break.
Lateral. Aqui, ó. Aí.
Good try, Zach. Good try.
Vai.
Too much.
Ao
Too
meio,
much.
Luiz.
Too much. You gotta find somebody.
Ó, Diego.
Behind you. Watch three, Enzo. Yeah. Good job.
¡Está afuera! Venga. Maquinita, corra.
Boa, Miguel.
John, you good or you need a break?
Diego!
Huh? Christian, we'll give you a break in a minute. We'll give you one more. Yeah, Zach.
Bueno, Luis.
Miguel.
Again, back.
Miguel!
That was good. That was good defense. Are you okay now, Charles? Christian?
Opa ali.
Oh, no, it's still in, still in. Good job. Christian, Christian. Go, go, go.
Enzo, here.
Fecha no meio, fecha no meio.
¿Qué aguanta o no? ¿Ah? ¿Ah?
All right, don't worry about it, Anu. Just get it back. That's all. No problem. Come on.
Vai, Miguel. Cobertura. Ó!
That shot.
Anita!
Pegamento en la mano ahí.
Just keep taking your shots, buddy.
Anna.
Hey, you better believe in your shots. Just keep doing it, okay? Back to him.
Diego.
Vamos, maquinita, a correr, maquinita. Dámelo todo a la cancha.
Luis.
Now in the middle.
Good job, Zach.
Boa. Volta, volta, volta.
That was a push.
Boa.
Dale. No, juegue a frente ahora.
Yeah, Enzo, come on. Let's go.
Come.
Aí, corre.
Yeah, Zach. Zach, great job. That was a great job, Zach. Nice step. That was a great step, kiddo. Yeah. Now finish.
Bien, Miguel.
Head? Is it head? Is it advantage?
Miguel.
Yeah. Yeah, just let me trip a little bit, okay? It'll throw me off. I'm good. I saw that too. Okay? Good. You guys good? Nice try, nice try. Okay.
Passa a farinha.
Guys, pick it up a little bit. Come on. It's all right. Finish now. There you go. Good job. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Anu, take a break. Enzo, take a break. Switch with Tron.
Let's go, George. See you so quiet. Let's go. Let's run.
Guys, let's get another one. Come on.
1-3 is 1-3.
3-1, right? Yeah. Let's go. Aiden, you still good? Zach, you good? You're doing great. You're doing great, Zach. See, Zach, he's right here. Okay, good. Oh.
I couldn't see. Play on. Sorry.
All right, come on.
1-on-1.
Oh. Come to. Take a touch, Zach. Take a touch. Take a touch. Take a touch. Good. Come to. We're good. Guys, pick up the intensity a little bit.
Meio, Luis.
Pick it up a little bit. I can feel it coming down. Pick it up. We're at 11 minutes. Come on, get one. Let's go. Have it. Let's go. Yeah, Zach, I love it. Zach, that's a good job. Let's go. Keep it up. Come on. It's 11 minutes. I need you everything you got, okay? Come on. Let's get one right now. Let's get it 3-2. Let's go. Nice try. Now work. Get it back and work. Oh, push it right there. Christian, take it. Let's go. Hey, one of you back. Hey, one back, one up. It's all right. Get over it a little bit. Hey, guys, on that, we just need one up and one back. We don't need both of you back on that on a free kick, right? To be present, okay? Like we talked about, Aiden, on that one, right? Yes, Zach, excellent. Zach, excellent. Don't do too much. Good. Now make a run for him. You did all the work. Now make a run. Finish. Oh my God.
Luis, maquinita.
Keep it up, guys. Let's go.
Vai, Jorge, vai pegar a bola, Hulk. Vamos!
Find somebody if you can. Yeah, no, get up there, Tron. Finish.
Miguel, olha pra
Tron,
trás.
that was better. Tron, that was
Miguel,
better.
No one on.
Miguel,
No
Tron,
one
there's
on.
a break. Let me know.
Miguel.
Miguel!
Yeah. Have it. Oh, still in.
Hey, good!
Just one. Stay on him, Zach. Stay on him, Zach. Well done, Zach. Well done. Okay? Draw. Hey, I'm gonna create a quick shift of defense. Just quit till you get in the way, okay? Christian, it's fine. You just got to get over it, buddy. You just got to get over those. Come on. You can do it, but you got to get over it.
Josh, you gotta make that run good.
Yeah, Zach. Come on, Zach. That's good. Nice touch. Let's go.
Be up.
Guys, we've got a lot of space, don't we? Let's take the space. If you got somebody on you, release. That's all you got to do. It's easy. Let's go. Oh, yes. Oh, keep going. You still got it. Let's go. Finish. We still got a chance to score. Let's go. Who's it, Zach? Take it. And again. Let's go. And again, Christian. And keep going. And again. Take it, Zach. Keep going. Yes.
Oh my!
All right.
Josh!
Is it direct or indirect? Direct? Oh, Christian. No, I'm Christian. Christian, take it. They moved up after. Did you see that? They moved up after, ref. We gotta watch that. No, I'm sorry. Listen.
Up.
A correr, Padilla, a darle, meterle ahí.
Space.
Come on, let's go.
Space. Don't run back to him.
Let's go. Work. Come on, guys. You got 7 minutes. Let's
Nice.
get one.
Go,
Come on. Work.
Go.
You're good, Zach. Stay on him, Zach. You're good.
Man on.
Menor. Vamos, keep going.
Space.
Stay on him, Zach. Nope, still. Come on. Good job. Zach, you're doing great.
Go, Brian. Brian, baja un poco. Ahora sí, maquinita. Venga, Padilla, venga con él, venga corriendo.
Brian, you good? Good, Brian? See you new. See you new if you can. He's wide open. Oh, yes. Let's go. Great job. Let's go.
Vamos, vamos, vamos. Sí, se pone bueno.
Aiden, take a minute break. Tron, go up there. Aiden, 1 minute break. 1 minute break. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's go, guys. Come on.
Now this way.
Stay on him, Zach. Zach, take a break. Go. Pack up your shit out there, buddy. Great job. You're gonna go for TJ. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's get one. We're still in it. Christian, get up there. Who's there? Finish. The goalie's out, guys, a little bit. Come on. Yeah. Back. Lefty if you need to on those, Christian.
Righty, keep them left.
That's you, Aiden. Yes! Let's go! TJ, take a break.
Bueno, vamos, Rocco, vamos, Palile. Mátelo. Está afuera, Silvia.
Aiden, stay with him. Aiden, someone's got to get on him. Yeah, Rye. Good job. Let's go. Come on, Enzo. Christian, get up there. Let's go. Don't get trapped.
What?
I'll say it, not you. What?
Hey, make a wall.
Come on. Let's go. Get the ball up, guys. Come on. We have 4 minutes. Right here. Christian, take it. Okay, nice try. That was nice. Okay, let's go.
Here. Got nobody.
Métale el pie, no lo deje que se pase. Ahora sí, Rocco. No, Palili, no haga eso, loco. Supérela ahí. Supérela. Eso.
So take Enzo off.
Yeah, well, just go in. Take it, Charles. Would it make sense? I'm not going to throw you in. It doesn't make sense. So, yeah, Charles, Enzo's going to come out.
Brian, behind. Vaya, Palili.
No, not right now. I want to make one more change. I had you in here for like literally more than a double shift. You were there. All right.
Vaya, Palili con
You did
Sean.
a great job. I needed you back there. Now go in the back post. Who's there? Yeah. Back post, finish. Keep going.
Go now.
Enzo. Draw, your right wing. Draw, your right wing.
Vai, Rocco.
Go.
Vaya,
Come on,
Palili,
guys, you got 2
vaya a
minutes.
ayudar.
Finish. Can we finish? Yes, you can finish. Lefty. Yes! Let's go! Come on, guys. Let's go.
Quinita.
Get up there. Let's go. Hey, guys, it's a minute and a half. Hey, you want to get this? Let's go. Come on. Do you have another one or no?
Ahí, vaya.
Thanks, Ref.
Bueno, Palili, tiene un minuto ahí, no terminando. Yo cago a mí.
Thanks, Ref.
¿Ok?
Come on, bud.
go.
Let's go, guys. Hey, let's go.
Correrlas todas.
Coming to the.
Everything
coming
you
to
got,
this way.
guys.
Coming
Everything
this
you
way.
got. It's a minute. Let's go. Hey, guys, let's play hard, okay? Let's play hard. Let's get there. Let's get there, Tron. Let's go, Tron. Not too much. Nice try, nice try. Come on, let's go.
Panini.
Just one. Yes, who's there? Come on,
Métele el
guys,
pie,
let's get
loco.
short off. Get there, Christian. Yes. Don't try to do too much on there. What do you
Panini,
see?
vaya a ayudar, vaya a ayudar.
Have it if you can. Finish! Finish!
Buena, buena, buena. Pa' afuera.
Guys, let's go. It's not over. Hey, it's not over. You fight. You keep fighting. That was smart. That was smart.
I couldn't see, guys. Play over.
That was smart. That was smart. He's good. He's good.
Can't see everything. Come on, let's go. Go, just go, just go.
You reckon? You have 10 seconds, guys. You guys have fun, right?
Is that right? Is that your son? He's a good player. He's a good kid. I see the way you interact with everyone. He's a good kid. My team even says that too. They don't just say he's a good player. They say he's a good kid. They all means a lot of people like that to the game.
Whenever I blow the whistle, okay.
Cualquiera de los dos.
Yeah, cover your face, guys. You can hit it. Cover your face.
Move over to your left more.
Cover
Move
your
over
face.
to your left more.
Cover your face. There's no reason to look at anything. Just cover your face. Good job. Good job. Heck of a game. Hey, good job. Go.
Guys, well done.
Shutting down recording and powering off. Please wait this